Most people get this wrong when trying to get an Amazon Prime free trial in 2026. They sign up expecting a free month, only to discover they're not eligible. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not everyone automatically qualifies for a Prime free trial, and eligibility can vary based on your account history. In this video I'll show you exactly how to check if you qualify for an Amazon Prime free trial, how to activate it, and the biggest mistakes you should avoid so you don't get charged unexpectedly. Let's get straight to it. The first step is signing in to your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, go to the Prime membership section. If Amazon is currently offering a free trial for your account, you'll usually see a button that says something like, "Start your free trial." If you don't see that option, don't panic. This is where most people fail. Amazon often limits free trials to customers who haven't used Prime recently. If you previously had a free trial or a Prime membership, you may not qualify for another one right away. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Even if a standard Prime trial isn't available, some users may qualify for special offers. For example, eligible students can sometimes access student-specific Prime promotions. Certain promotional events may also include trial offers for selected accounts. Before starting the trial, carefully review the details. Amazon usually displays the trial length and the date when billing will begin if you decide to keep the membership. But here's the problem. Many people forget to check the renewal date. Let's say Jake starts a free trial today and only wants to use it for fast shipping on a few orders. If he forgets about the renewal date, the membership may automatically convert into a paid subscription at the end of the trial period. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid that. After activating the trial, go to your Prime membership settings and check your renewal information. Save the renewal date in your phone calendar and set a reminder a few days before the trial ends. This simple step can save you from unwanted charges. Another important tip is to fully explore the benefits during the trial. Many users only use fast shipping, but Prime can also include streaming content, exclusive shopping deals, photo storage, and other membership perks depending on your region and eligibility. Now let's quickly recap. To get an Amazon Prime free trial in 2026, sign into your Amazon account, check whether a free trial offer is available, review the membership details carefully, activate the trial, and track your renewal date to avoid surprise charges. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether Amazon offered you a free trial this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.